Hello everyone, today we will learn how to invite team members in Supabase. First, open your web browser and go to supabase.com. Once the page loads, log in using your account credentials. After logging in, you will see the top navigation bar. Look for the organization drop-down in the top left corner. Click on it to reveal a list of organizations you have access to. Select the organization where you want to add new team members. Next, focus on the left-hand menu. Here, you will see several sections, including projects, database, and settings. Find the team section. Click on it to open the team management page. On the team page, you will see a button labeled Invite Members. Click this button to start adding someone new to your organization. A small form will appear. The first thing you need to do is select a role for the new member. For example, you can choose developer, administrator, or owner. After selecting the role, you will see a field to enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Carefully type in the correct email address to ensure the invitation reaches the right person. Once the email is entered, click the Send Invitation button. The person will receive an email invitation to join your organization on Supabase. Thanks for watching.